Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to learn how to set up Virt-Manager QEMU in Arch Linux as quickly as possible. First of all, open the terminal. Now, the thing we're going to use for this is an installer script by Chris Titus. If you don't know him, you can check him online on YouTube. His channel name is, I think, christitus.com, Chris Titus Tech. So you can search him online and know more about him. He has a very good Windows utility also, if you know him. If you already know debloating Windows stuff, he has created a utility for that. Now we're going to use specifically Linux utility by him, and that's going to help us to install the QEMU Virt-Manager, everything. It's going to set everything for us. We don't have to do anything. So in order to get started, you need to type curl fssl and the name of the website, which is going to be christitus.com and /Linux. Now we need to pipe this to sh or bash, whatever you like. I'm just type sh and hit enter. Now this is going to pull the Linux utility. You can install this utility, or if you don't want, you don't need to install it. Or we're just going to quickly go to the we're going to use our arrow keys, or you can just use JKL like the Vim binds, right? And you can go to system setup, then you can select this Arch Linux. You can either use the L key to select it, or enter, or you can use the right key. So I will use L. So now it's going to select this, and here you're just going to select virtualization, and I'm going to hit enter, and then it's asking me for the configuration. So I'm just going to press Y on that, and here is very important. Now here, this utility allows you to select whatever you want, but right now we want everything. So we're just going to select 5, which means everything. It includes QEMU, all the emulators. It sets everything for us, and the Virt-Manager. So we're just going to set the 5, and we're going to run our password, and it's going to install it for you. Now in my case, I already have installed it from this utility. That's why it's telling me that I have already installed it. But if you didn't, you're most likely gonna install this because you're watching the video for that, right? So after this is finished, you're gonna see this green success here, and you just press enter to close that pop-up. Now here, just press Q, and this is gonna close. Now you can run it using Virt-Manager from here, from the terminal, or if you don't want, if you have a program launcher or application launcher to be specific, you can just select your program launcher and type Virt-Manager. It's mostly likely gonna name this thing by Virtual Machine Manager. So you can just click on that. I'm just gonna run it with the terminal, and here you go. Now you can just go here, click on new, and create your new virtual machine wherever you like. Let me quickly go through this. So I'm just gonna select a local install. I am gonna select let's say I'm gonna select Arch Linux. Forward this. Now how much CPU RAM you want, forward this. How much RAM, how much disk space you want. I'm just gonna keep everything default because I'm just showing you guys. And then the name of this thing is Arch Linux. I don't want to change this, so I'm going for the default and finish. And that's it. Here you go. So that was it in the video. That's how you create a virtual machine. That's how you install QEMU the fastest way on Arch Linux and set up a virtual machine.